some extremely bad news.
What is it?
It's bad and good news. What do you want to hear first?
The bad news.
Alright, so the bad news is that it's gonna cost $4,000 to fix the car.
How the good news?
Good news is that we're getting a new car.
New car?
I haven't wanted to get a new car because I like this one. But what kind is it? Is it gonna be the exact same brand? It's the Mercedes. Yay! We're getting it tomorrow. Well, Timmy, here's the new car.
Wow.
Hope it's not poop like the last one. Every car you get is poop.